In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. First of all, launch your keyboard and click on Clipboard at the top of it. All of your copied text and images will be here. To go back to standard keyboard, use this icon at the top left corner. Now to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. If you wish to, you can also hold your text and use all of those options. You can pin it or unpin it by clicking on this pin icon at the top right corner, or you can delete it by tapping on this pin one, then confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!